How to cancel a Sephora order. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora.com and then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, scroll down and click on Purchase History. In Purchase History on the left side, click on Recent Order. Here you'll find all your orders. And if the cancellation is available, you'll find cancel button below your order. And if you don't find one, you can click on customer service chat at the bottom and click on chat with customer service at the bottom right, and then chat with the customer service of Sephora and try canceling the order from there. This is how to cancel a Sephora order. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.